Hi guys, welcome to Twitter's funny channel. Today I'm going to teach point of sale step by step part 9 tutorial. In our last tutorial we saw how to create the category table in our database. In this tutorial I'm going to create the category form and brand form. So let me see how to do that. Okay, this will be the item function. Item consists of two parts. One is a brand, another one is a category. Okay, let me design one form for category and brand. Go to the project, add Windows form. Here Windows form. Here I'm going to type this items. Click at. Now you can get the items form look like this here. Now this is our item form. Shall we design this form? Here go on your property menu and here first form border select as none, and after that select the background color, some different colors. Let me give the color as white. It's very okay. Let me select the color as white. Then what I'm going to do is go to the toolbox and select the tool which is a tab control. This one, tab control. Here you just drag on your form like this. The tab control tool look like this. Okay, in that tab control, it consists of two parts. One is a tab page 1 and tab page 2. Here I'm going to change the name as tab page 1 as category. Tab page 2 I'm going to change the name as brands. Okay, because we have two items. Okay, so how to change is select the tab control here like this. If you select like this and go to the property, here property window, you can find tab pages 2. This will be the tab pages property. Here just click on this button. Here you can get this dialog box like this. Here the defaultly selected tab page 1. Here you if you want to change the name, go to the text property of the tab page 1 and you can change. I'm going to change as categories. Enter and apply it. Now you can notice that the name will be changed. Then click on the tab page 2 and same thing you are going to do same tab page 2 also. Here I am going to change the name as brands. Hit enter key on your keyboard and apply. Now you notice that it has been changed. Click OK. Now you successfully created the tab control and change the name. One is a brand, another one is a category. Okay, you can see. Okay, let me run this form and see what will be the how the form look like this. Okay, let's go to our main page. Here this will be the item. When you click on this icon, the page will be open. Which page? Items page will be open. Okay, so let me give the link. Okay, so double click on this picture and here I'm going to put the name of the form. Items. This will be the name of the form. Here I'm going to create an object, something like this. Something name any name you can create. New and items. Now node need to close our current form for this time. Okay, here item I dot show. Okay, so that I don't put here this dot close. Okay, well, let's execute the programming, see the output. Here first survey login so on put. Okay, this will be the item. If you click on this, you can see here it's nice look like this. Here you can add the category or brand if you want. Okay, you can add any category here. Here you can add the brands. Okay, let me see how to add the category and brands. Okay, let's back to our coding part, design part. First we design the form. So first I am going to design the form. Before designing, let's see back to our database. This will be our database. Here click on the category. Here click on the structure. Here notice that we have three tables. Sorry, we have three columns. One is ID, another one is a name, another one is a description. Okay, the ID will be auto increment, so we no need to create the text boxes. Here these two fields only we have to create the text boxes and add the records. Okay, let me see here. Get the back to our point of sale form. Here this will be the category. Here go to the toolbox and I need two labels. One is for name, another one is for description. We no need to ID because this will be the auto increment part. Okay, keep in your mind and change the name as name. Here this will be belongs to descriptions. Okay, successfully added. Let me increase the size of the text little bit. Default come as 8. Let me change as 12. This one also let's change as 12. Okay, if you like you can bold it. This one also we can bold it. You can change the font style also here. Okay, if you want. Okay, right, I design name and description. Right, now I am going to add the relevant text boxes. This will be the text box. Double click and double click. First one will be normal one. Increase the name little bit bigger. Okay, right. The description will be, this will be the considered as rich text because we can write only one line, single line. The description means you have to describe this product. Okay, so here you can see, notice that you can see the arrow part here, the top right corner of the text box. You click on this and here make it as multi-line. You can see this anchor point like this. You can drag like this. Now you can get the multi-line text box like this. Okay, let's select all and bring this one as top. Right, now I need two buttons here below. One is for add the records, another one is for cancel. So back to my toolbox, add two buttons. Because of the button, let me delete this one. We can put as an image that is more attractively. So picture box button, that will be more attractively. You just click on the picture box over here like this. Here I am going to click on this one and choose image. Here import. This one will be the save. This belongs to save part. Open, click OK. Here normal select the stretch image, you can automatically fit on the image. Now you can notice that the icon will be nice look guys. Now the same size I am going to copy, and again I am going to get another picture box for cancel. Here this one will be the cancel. Click on this and change the size as the same size, enter. Okay, now what I'm going to do is here also I'm going to choose the image as cancel, this one. Select as stretch image. Right, look great. If you feel it's little bit small, you can make it like this. It's small, make it like this, small size. Okay, that's your wish. You can put like this here, right. Okay, now here, now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to write the code part. Okay, let me execute the program in C. How it's work. John 1, 2, 3. Click on this item. Here you can see it's look great. Okay, let's close it. Okay, here I'm going to coding part. Now I'm going to go to write the coding. So double click on the save button. This will be the save button. Double click on this. Here I'm going to write the coding. So first I'm going to write the namespace first. What is the namespace I'm going to write? MySQL namespace. Okay, using, because I'm going to connect with the database, so that you must import the MySQL namespace. Okay, without writing the namespace, you can't access the database classes. Database classes mean MySQL connection, MySQL command, MySQL adapter. You can't access. Okay, MySQL dot data dot MySQL client. This will be your namespace. Okay, this will be your namespace. The namespace consists of classes. Here under the initialization component, you have to establish the connection of MySQL. MySQL connection, MySQL. You get the connection property of here, connection, the drop down. Here you make the object equal new MySQL connection. Within the bracket you have to put the connection path. Server, what is the server you are connect with, equal what is the server you are connect with. Localhost will be your server here. Localhost, that will be your server. After that, database, what is the database you are going to connect with. Database name, what is the database name, you have to mention the database name, %, so that I am putting here, %. After that, username as defaultly come as root, password will be blank. It's defaultly come. Okay, username as a default come as root, and password will be blank. Okay, right. I successfully established the connection of MySQL. Now I am going to connect the data table. Here I am going to write first I am write MySQL command cmd equal new MySQL command here cmd dot connection equal this one. Here what I did is MySQL command. This is the command which is used to select the table on your database. Okay, the specific the query. Okay, that SQL command I am going to connect with this connection. I make the connection to the MySQL connection. I am giving the MySQL connection to SQL command. Okay, here after that cmd dot command text, here select this one. Here you have to write the query. What is the query you are going to write? You are going to insert the record into the database. Okay, so you already create the SQL command object cmd dot command text. Okay, here the command will be checking, okay, whether you are inserting or deleting or updating everything it's checking by the command. Okay, here insert into you are going to insert the record into the database table. You already connect the database. This particular database, which table you are going to select to insert the record. Insert into, I am going to select the table as this one, category table. So you have to put the name as category, right? Insert into category, which is a table name. I am going to insert the record. So first, this will be the first bracket, open bracket, open curly bracket and close curly bracket. Within the bracket, you have to put the name of the tables, columns. Which one? Name and description. You have to give it within the bracket. Because the ID column you don't need to add because it is auto increment one. Okay, this is two things only I am going to add because I have because I have two text boxes. I left two text boxes here, so I need here first one is a name. I'm getting this name by here, database name. Whatever write here, the same thing you have to give here. Okay, if you have any problem, you just copy here this name. It is very easy for you. Okay, if it is a spelling mistake, it doesn't work, so that you just copy and put it here. It's very easy for that. Right, you successfully add the table name here. After that, values mean I am going to set two parameters, one for name, another one is for description. The same name I am going to create two parameters. When you creating the parameters, before the name you have to put this @ sign, that is called as parameters. Alright, that's it. That is the stuff you have to do. Right, it's not equal, right. Now you successfully create the query. After that, what I am going to do is I set into the particular text boxes. So I didn't change the name of the text box. Click on this text box. I'm going to change the defaultly come as txt1. I'm going to change as txt name. This one, click on this text box and go to the name property. Change the name as txt this. That's it. And hit enter and apply it. And back to our coding view here. cmd dot parameters. I'm going to set the parameter to add values. Parameters dot add values here. This parameter is this one. This is for description for this parameters. I'm going to set here first within the double quotation mark put first parameters, this parameter, app name, comma, this name record will be added into which this text box name. So I'm going to give txt name dot text. After that, another one, cmd dot parameters dot add value. You have to call another one, this one. Okay, just copy and paste within the double quotation, right, like this. Here this considered as text box, this text box dot text. Okay, what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to insert the record into the database. Here I'm going to create two parameters. I equal into this text box, this will be this called as this. Okay, so that I call here. Okay, I equal into the relevant text box here. That's the thing I did. After that, we successfully did here so far. Now I'm going to open the connection, database connection. One.open means this database connection will be open. After that, what I'm going to do is execute the non query. If you execute non query, what happen is, the data will be inserted into your database, so that we are going to call this method execute non query. Without calling this method, we can't, the database, the record is not inserted in your database. Okay, this will be the important stuff, because cmd is doing their stuff. The connection part is only make the connection. The cmd means this mysql command will be doing everything. It's making the query and insert the record into the database, so that I am writing here. Okay, after that, whether it is added or not, we need one message. So I'm going to create one message box, and message box dot show. Here I'm going to write within the double quotation mark, record added successfully, record added. Okay, something. Okay, let's check it whether it is added or not. Okay, first here also I forgot to put the colon mark. Okay, here check the query, if results are correct. Okay, let's run and see what about the output. Okay, once you open the connection, to make sure after added the record, you must close the connection also. Okay, perfect. Now let me execute the program and see. First, John 1 2 3, select the item. Some problem with the initialization, does not specify the starting error, some error occur. Everything correct. What happened? Username, everything correct. Okay. Small problem here. We need one here equal. I forgot to put the password also here, so that I getting error. Okay, here username equal into root, password equal into blank. Okay, so I didn't put the password equal, so that I getting the error. So let's execute the command again. John 1 2 3, click on the item. Now it successfully established the connection. connection will be success. Now let me see. Okay, I'm going to add the category. Okay, let's add the category as what? First category, what is the category? TV. Okay, that will be the category. TV. Description, some of the description I just write TV only or something else, right? You can describe the TV. So click save button, record error successful. Okay, it's no error. Now let me back to my database and see whether the record is added or not. This is my record. So click browse. Sorry, here ID automatically generated 1, name will be TV, description will be added TV only. If you click category here. Okay, now I'm going to get another my Word document. What is another category I'm going to add? AC. So back to my form. Sorry. Here I am going to add AC only. That's it. Click OK. Record it. Right. Okay. Okay. Let's close it. Okay. Now let's close it. Now you can see this one here. There are 2 records has been added successfully. It's successfully working your category forms. Okay. Okay, let's in my next tutorial I'm going to explain how to do the brand part. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me. Again, thank you for watching.